I'm going to take you through a dynamic warm-up of 6 different exercises that you can do before every workout to get yourself warmed up. You're going to head over to a wall and we're going to do some wall thoracic extension. So your hands are up against the wall, your feet are about hip width apart, you're a couple of feet from the wall. You're going to hinge at the hips, keeping your arms straight. Feel the stretch through the back of your leg and in your back. And then you're just going to come up and press through your heels. You don't have to bend your arms or move closer to the wall. You're just going to flow through these 2 movements. So you feel the stretch here through the back of your legs and your back, your shoulders, and then come on up and press through your heels. Go down and come on up and press through your heels. And go down, come on up and press through your heels. Press back and come on up. We'll do 2 more. And you're getting a flow through the movement of both positions. Holding each space for about 3 seconds. Good. Then you're going to turn around and you're going to place your back up against the wall and move your feet about 1.5 feet from the wall. Try to get your back flat against the wall, your arms, forearms on the wall. We're going to do a wall slide with your arms. You're going to slide your arms up the wall and then you're going to bring it down. Slide your arms up the wall and then bring it down. Slide your arms up the wall and then bring it down. Go ahead and lift up and bring it down. Up and then bring it down. Up and bring it down. We'll do 1 more. Up and then bring it down. Great. Okay, now I'm going to have you come on down to the ground. And we're going to start on your hands and knees in a quadruped position. And we're going to do some hip circles. So your hands are right underneath your shoulders. And you're going to keep your leg bent at a 90 degree, and you're going to do 6 circles forward. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're going to go backwards for 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. So circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great. Now I'm going to have you take your knees wide on the mat, and we're going to flow through a wide knee child's pose. So you're going to start with your hands shoulder width apart. You're going to press your hips back as low as feels comfortable for you. Hold that for a count of 3, and then come on up, bringing your weight right on top of your hands, and then press back again. We're going to flow through these 2 movements 6 times. Roll back, hold 1, 2, 3, and come up. Flow back, hold 1, 2, 3, come up. Hold back, 1, 2, 3, and come up. Press back, hold 1, 2, 3, and come up. Press back, hold 1, 2, 3, up. We'll just do one more. And you should feel yourself getting a little bit looser as you do it. 2, 3, and come up. Great. So now you're gonna come onto your side and we're going to do a clamshell. So you're gonna bring your knees in towards your chest at a 90-degree bend. You can rest your head on your outstretched arm. You're gonna keep your feet together and we're just gonna raise your top hip up and bring it down. Make sure you are all the way onto your side as you do it. You don't want to open your hips too much that you're rotating backwards. Okay, lift up and down. 5, 6, good. And then we're going to switch sides. We're going to do it on the other side. Knees in towards your chest, feet together, you're on your side, lift top leg up and bring it down. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great. Okay, and then I'm gonna have you come on up to standing and we're gonna do a body weight squat. So that's just with your feet shoulder width apart. Your hands can be at your side or you can hold them together. And you're just going to drop your hips back and then stand up. So you're gonna drop your hips back like you're reaching your hips back for a chair and you're gonna stand up. Drop your hips back, keeping your weight on top of your heels and then stand up, squeezing your abs and your glutes. Good. So again, just 6 of these. Good, and one more. Great. So that's your dynamic warm-up with 6 exercises. The purpose is to get your blood flowing through your body and do exercises to prepare you for the workout. You can do anywhere between 6 and 10 repetitions and just feel the flow, feel yourself loosen up as you go through that dynamic workout.